In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your LinkedIn username or LinkedIn ID. If you ever need to share your LinkedIn profile, connect it to another platform, or fill out a form that asks for your LinkedIn username, this is a very quick and simple process. The good news is that you can usually find it in just a few seconds directly from your profile page. First, go to your profile on LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account, then open LinkedIn and navigate to your personal profile page. This is the page that shows your profile photo, headline, experience, and other public-facing profile details. If you're already on LinkedIn's homepage, you can usually get there by clicking your profile picture or your name. Once you're on your profile, look at the URL in your browser's address bar. This is the web address shown at the top of your browser window. On LinkedIn, your profile link typically includes a section that identifies your personal profile. That part of the link is what you want to focus on. Your username is there in the URL. In most cases, it's the text that appears after linkedin.com in. So if your browser shows a profile link in that format, the part that comes after the final slash is your LinkedIn username, sometimes also referred to as your LinkedIn ID. That's the section you can copy and use when a website or tool asks for it. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're copying only the username portion if that's what's being requested, and not the entire web address unless a full profile URL is specifically asked for. Some forms want the complete LinkedIn link, while others only want the unique username from the end of that link. Also, if your LinkedIn profile has been customized, your username may look clean and readable. If it hasn't been customized, it may contain a mix of words and numbers. Either way, the location is the same, and you'll still find it in your profile URL. That's all there is to it. Go to your LinkedIn profile, check the address bar, and identify the text that appears after linkedin.com in. That text is your LinkedIn username or LinkedIn ID. Once you know where to look, it becomes very easy to find anytime you need it.